Hi! In front of me is iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can print using this device. First of all, you need to open file that you wish to print. In my case, this photo. Now select this icon with an arrow. In this case, it's at the top left corner. Scroll all the way down and click on Print section. Then you need to choose printer over here, wait for available ones to show and click on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, HP one. Finally, you can click on Presets and tap on the best option for you. I will go with black and white. Then you can pick number of copies, enable or disable print in color and double-sided by clicking on those two switches and tap on paper size. Now tap on the best format for you, click over here and finally select media and quality. Over here you can adjust quality of your print by swiping left or right on this slider and even adjust feed form and media type. Now finally, when you're ready, click on print at the top right corner and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!